I've come to see Lord, my lord. Just wait a minute. Lord, my lord is teleporting here right now. Look. Hey, yo, that joint is fire.
Speak.
Lord, my lord, I believe I may have finally found a way to beat the women at social media. I've begun to take my shirt off in every picture I take. Think of the likes and shares, multiple abs and showing muscles in women and thirst traps.
Fool, what do you know of the Instagram algorithm? The Instagram algorithm never favors the male, always the female. This is common knowledge.
But you said that this was the way.
Silence.
You told all of us that this was the way.
Enough! I told you nothing.
Shall I let everybody know that the great Lord, my lord, is a liar?
It is forbidden.
You buy your followers.
What I told you, it was the truth. It was. But the algorithm, it keeps changing.
We will truly never win, will we?
Nobody knows. But until we find out, the women will keep getting more likes. And this is the way. It will always be the way.